Hey guys, this is Satya here. Welcome back to Healthy Recipes. Today's recipe is a whole wheat fruit and nut cake, which is eggless, sugar free, and Maida free. To make this cake, soak around 25 to 30 dates in 1.5 cups of warm milk for 3 hours. Grind it in a mixer jar and transfer it to a bowl. Add in half cup oil. You may use any flavorless oil. Mix it with a whisk. Next, sieve 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder into the mix. Mix it with a whisk. Lastly, add in 2 tablespoons each of cashews, brown and black raisins. Give it a good mix with a spatula. Prepare a loaf tin with butter paper as shown and transfer the batter into it. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes in a preheated oven. Oven should be preheated for 15 minutes. Let it cool completely. You can cut and serve as shown. If you like this recipe, do give it a like and subscribe to Healthy Recipes if you haven't already. Do share it with your friends and family. Wish you all a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. Thanks for watching.